So this is Magdalen Tower. And if you look closely on top, you can see the weather vane. We very recently undertook a project where we removed those off the tower and we have repaired them. And this came about because we'd done a survey of them. We realised they were in fairly poor state of repair. So we had to get people up on ropes to get them down. It was quite an ordeal. And we gave them to a specialist metal conservator who repaired them for us.
Hi, my name's Peter Meehan. I'm a metals conservator and I'm involved in this project here to refurbish the pennants from the tower. These pieces are very old, much older than most of the other weather vanes that I've worked on. They've been on the tower for hundreds of years. As far as we can tell, they probably were put on when the tower was built, which is, I believe, was in the 15th century. Interestingly, they're all completely made of copper, and then they've all been gilded to have handled and worked on something that was made all that time ago. Is a sort of connection back into history, really.
So this has been one of my most favourite projects while I've been working at Magdalen. It has been such a privilege for me to work with such specialists like wall walkers and Peter Meehan.
My name is Chris Milford and I am part of a company called Wall Walkers, and we specialise in industrial roped access with heritage buildings. The job here at Magdalen College in Oxford, they've got 4 flags. They're on the 4 corner pinnacles. And our job this time around is to put them back on the corners, make sure that they spin okay and they're going to last another 100 years. You can just feel that it's part of the story of the building. And I love the sense of history. I love the uniqueness of working in heritage and getting into places with roped access where the public can't go.
It's wonderful to be involved in a project to restore objects that have potentially been here for 500 years in order to make sure that they'll be here for another 500.